Getting your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 or Buds 4 Pro connected to your Android or Galaxy phone should be a smooth experience. But if you're doing it for the first time, it can feel a little unclear. With different connection methods like quick pairing, Bluetooth settings, and the Galaxy wearable app, it's easy to wonder which one you should use. The good thing is that Samsung has made the process flexible. So, whether you want a fast automatic connection or a manual setup, both options work perfectly. Once your earbuds are properly connected, you'll unlock features like touch controls, noise cancellation, and seamless audio switching. The entire setup only takes a minute or two, and after that, your buds will reconnect automatically whenever you open the case near your phone. Try these. Step 1. Open the charging case with your Galaxy Buds inside to power them on. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your Android or Galaxy phone. Step 3. Bring the Buds case close to your phone and wait for the pairing pop up. Step 4. Tap Connect on the pop up to start pairing instantly. Step 5. If no pop up appears, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select your buds from the list. Step 6. Confirm the connection and allow any permissions for full features.